Hi, I'm Ed McCurdy MC, DJ, VJEd here with Alliance Home Inspections, and we're riding with Troy. Remember our last episode, I had just finished flying the drone. While the files load to the iPad, let's check out the inspection underway on the outside of this nice property, and then follow Troy and Fonda inside for the detailed inspection here on Swans Island.
Got some pretty good footage.
I think so.
Yeah.
I'll in a minute I'll get you some of it so you'll have for pictures for that to look at while we're still here.
Yeah, so basically so far what we've done with this is our second inspection. We were able to get the first one done pretty quickly. We have Fonda, she's out front digging up the septic system. I'm working my way around the house doing the exterior portion, and you've already flown a drone, so you've gotten some pretty good footage of the roof condition.
We're on the edge of finishing the outside here.
Pretty much.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
You noticed a little bit of drainage
a negative
there.
grade. You know, normally what we do with any type of home inspection, if we see any negative grade that's going towards the home, we'll recommend that they consult with a landscaper or get some type of drainage around there so it sheds the water around the home. Especially with one like this where you can see that it looks like it's on post portion of the home.
Right.
So that's important there. And the foundation we're not as concerned about.
Mm-hmm.
But even stuff like that, you know, we're going to recommend gutters.
Yep.
We're also going to recommend that gets drainage around it as well.
Right. Cool. What a nice day to be doing it.
Beautiful Swans Island.
Oh, man.
See an outside spigot in there?
I have not.
Oh, right there, buddy.
Oh, good.
Perfect. So we're gonna need that.
Sweet. Nice.
The well's located right there.
Oh, yeah.
They may want to know that.
They must have got.
Picked a better day, bud.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Did you get this?
Yeah. So I just kind of made a general comment all the way around.
Yeah, I see.
It's happening in a few spots.
Gotcha.
The shingles are older.
Yeah.
And they're going to need some attention.
Right.
But, you know, a lot of this is maintenance related.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
What's your thoughts on this edge right here? I mean, I guess you're, in some respects, you're better off leaving it open for airflow, but it's
animals are still going to get in there.
You see them on the back side there as well. That's if you go around the back, you can see where a couple animals have burrowed their way in.
That's probably the only concern. It looks like with that stone, you don't have to worry too bad about the water because it's probably seeping out, but it still wouldn't hurt to put drainage so that it does get out.
Or a fenced in area.
Yeah, but fencing it down to keep the, unless you like skunks, they love spots like that.
She's just about there now.
We're in the hole. Yeah. We're going in the hole on this one.
Manhole.
That is.
He did say it's a 750 size tank. So
look at how clean we got that. We got every bit of that.
So we can do this a couple ways. The first thing we want to do.
You have a broom? No.
The little brooms are good to have.
Yeah, I'm getting that
but
too.
I mean, you got most of the dirt away from it, so don't worry about it.
All right.
I guarantee next time we see her, she'll have all of that stuff. She's very organized.
Yeah, I like.
It'll be swept out.
Stuff. I like stuff, but not junk. Stuff I'm gonna use.
So I think this should come. It looks like it's. Yeah.
Let me do it.
Pretty new, so.
So you grab onto this handle here. And you grab onto this. And we're gonna see, and then we're gonna place it.
So you gotta take it both. Oops. Same time.
Yeah, we gotta see what we're dealing with here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jesus, you didn't tell me where we were placing it.
You almost went in the drink there.
You almost drank it.
All was like, wait, where are we going with it?
So we may have to. Son of a gun. You know what?
The other end.
I think it's right here. Yep. And the reason why that is, see how that's capped off right there?
Right.
And the leach field, that's the only thing I hesitated about. See, that's when they build these tanks, they build them with holes on each side of the tank, and then they plug the holes that are not being used.
So that's plugged.
So that's in case he oriented the tank the other way, he could use that as an outlet. But
He said it was on this thing.
he did. But
And he said he built it.
well, you know.
That's weird.
But when he said 750 gallons, it threw me off. I was like, geez, I wonder if we're gonna see exactly what we want. I think the outlet is right. You see anything there?
Okay. They got some good pressure. Do you get water?
At time of inspection, filter was removed and cleaned.
Yep. See how it's flushing her right down.
Let's get right into this. He's get some good shots.
Some fun. If you could just take a picture of the smell.
Hydraulic wood.
At least we did this before lunch.
I think which could be worse, right?
Right.
Can't get the smell out of here.
Hey Fonda, while that's going on, let's
Is it 10 minutes? Did we do?
let's run in and start working on the inside.
Inside?
Location of septic tank. Tank is a 750 gallon system. Here we go, brother.
All right.
Let that run for a few minutes. It won't take much long. He says a good flow through there.
There's, yeah, it's
Let's head to the inside and see if we can get it coming.
running. You need this image thing?
Yep. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, flashlight.
No, she took her shoes off.
Oh, warm in here.
It is. I'll say.
No, hey Fonda. Yeah. So most of the time, gas stoves are pretty much bomb-proof. I've never hardly come across any that don't work unless they're super
Well,
old.
this one doesn't.
But it's probably just needs to.
Let's take it. Watch out. You know,
It's probably gonna blow up in your face, right?
well, cheese.
Geez, you may be proving me wrong.
You can't mess with a woman. You know why? Because we'll this way.
All right.
I'm kidding.
All right, let me take a picture of that real quick here. I don't think that's gonna cause any major issues with them, but.
Be a deal breaker. Do you want me to turn it on so you can see that it's on?
Nope, nope,
Oh.
it's good right there. Okay, you can shut it down. It's hot enough in here as it is.
Oven? I'm sure it works. Take. Start.
Not operational at time of inspection. That's a small system, so I'm gonna go out and probably shut that off.
Okay. You want to take a look at it and then I'll shut it off?
Yep. I'll make sure it's not coming back. All set, Ed.
Okay.
It's actually a pretty clean filter.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think we'll probably wrap it up and everything.
Okay. Check out episode 10, where we go upstairs, do an infrared scan, and check the attic. See you next time on Alliance Home Inspections, Riding with Troy. I'm VJEd.